Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken zipper off track. First, carefully examine the zipper to understand the problem. Is the slider completely off, or are just a few teeth misaligned? Look for any bent teeth or fabric caught in the coils. Having a small pair of pliers, a graphite pencil, or even a bar of soap handy will make the repair much smoother. These simple items are often all you need to get your zipper back in perfect working order. If the zipper teeth are just slightly misaligned, you can often fix it by gently pulling the fabric taut on both sides. Then, take a graphite pencil and rub it along the teeth. The graphite acts as a lubricant, helping the slider move more freely. Now, carefully guide the slider back onto the teeth, starting from the very bottom. Take your time and apply even pressure to avoid further damage. When the slider is completely detached, the process requires a bit more precision. First, ensure the bottom stop of your zipper is still firmly in place. Then, carefully thread one side of the zipper tape into one opening of the slider. Once that's secure, gently thread the second side of the zipper tape into the other opening. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time and use a small tool like tweezers if needed. After reattaching the slider, gently test its movement. If the slider feels a bit loose, you can use a pair of pliers to carefully crimp its sides, but be very gentle to avoid crushing it. For added security, a tiny drop of clear nail polish on the bottom stop can prevent the slider from coming off again. Finally, slowly move the zipper up and down about 5 to 10 times to ensure it operates smoothly and stays on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.